In finance, you often hear about risk. But what does it actually mean when an outcome is truly random? Let us explore aleatory uncertainty. The term comes from the Latin word for dice. It refers to events that are inherently random and unpredictable by nature. Unlike other types of uncertainty, aleatory risk is not about missing information. It is simply the way the world works. Think of it as the roll of a die. You can calculate the odds, but you can never know the result before it lands. It is important to distinguish this from epistemic risk, which describes things we are just ignorant about and could learn if we tried. While you can study market trends to lower your epistemic uncertainty, aleatory risk remains a baseline that you simply have to manage. This is why insurance exists. Since we cannot predict aleatory events, we pool our risks together to protect against the random outcomes. Understanding these categories helps you build a more resilient financial plan. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more finance basics.